So, I've seen many more people get hurt with a dull knife than with a sharp knife. So, I found this handy little tool on Amazon a few years ago. Might have paid $7 for it. Saves me tons of trouble, and no, with a sharp, like again, with a sharp blade, you don't get hurt. So, it has this sanding rod here where you would cut the bevel of the knife. They want, I think the book tells you 5 to 20 times. I do it 10 because it's easy to remember 10. Then you do the other side 10 times. And when you get to this level 1 and level 2 here, it cuts both sides of the blade at once. Here, I'll show you. Here, 10 times, and then level 2, 10 times. And a sharp knife cuts only what you want it to cut. And it cuts it effectively.